Thank you so much for joining this channel. So we have started one series for design principles. So we are in the day 4. In the day 4 we will discuss Liskov substitution principle. Those who have heard they can correlate. Those who haven't heard, please listen what I am saying. Just a day 3 recap. Open close principle with strategy pattern. We discussed this open close principle with strategy pattern for payment implementation, payment type implementation within the order service. In the day 2 we discuss extensible payment strategies, and there is a need, right? Substitution implementation. There are a couple of scenarios which cannot be solved by the solution we have given in the day 2. Let's see what is that. So before that, let's understand what is LSP, Liskov substitution principle. Derived type must be replaceable for base type. Behavior should remain correct. Contract must not be broken. That is very important. Contract must not be broken. So we will discuss why we are saying this contract should not be broken. So if you remember, in the day 2 we have done payment strategy, right? We have created I-payment strategy. We have UPI payment, cash on UPI payment, credit card payment, debit card payment, and all can be implemented using this contract. There is no contract violation, but business want cash on delivery option also. So cash on delivery cannot implement the I-payment strategy. Why? Because there is no immediate process, right? Once the delivery has been done, then only it will be manually collected. So there is no system involvement. In that case, the contract will be broken, right? If cash on delivery strategy implement I-payment strategy, it will break because there is no involvement of system. It is a pure manual intervention at doorstep of the house. So how we can handle the COD, right? Because COD behave differently from the credit card, debit card, wallet or UPI payment. So the bad design is we already done in the day 2, but here you can see that we have I-payment strategy, cash on delivery strategy bad. We have created so many files. What we have done, we will show in the demo that cash on delivery strategy bad is implementing the I-payment strategy, and that is giving the issue. But cash on delivery strategy is implementing I deferred payment strategy. That is the right process because the payment will be done at the end. And whereas the card payment PayPal and the card payment PayPal will implement the immediate payment strategy. That means the I-payment strategy has been splitted between I-immediate payment strategy and I-deferred payment strategy. So now, if we implement it in this way, then the contract will not be broken. The derived type will be substituted by the base type that we have discussed. Derived type must be substituted replaceable for the base type. Behavior should remain correct because cash on delivery behavior is not same as the immediate payments that you already described, and contract is not broken, right? Because we have splitted the contract between immediate processing and deferred processing. Why this fail? Because runtime behavior changes, right? I-payment strategy. So correct design is that we already shown in the diagram, but again explaining, we splitted the I-payment strategy into I-immediate and I-deferred and use the correct abstraction. So this will be done in the future, but it will be a client API, order will do the payment processing. Payment processing will pick up the correct strategy. If the behavior is same, you can implement with the one interface, but if the payment strategy has a different behavior, you have to split the payment interfaces so that the contract should not be broken. Derived type can be substitute of base type and the behavior will remain same. So these three are very important point. Please remember, derived type must be replaceable for base type, which is happening as long as we are doing the day 2, but in day 3 we have to split the I payment strategy to I immediate and I deferred, so that to maintain the derived type must be replaceable for base type and contract must not be broken. So this we will do in the future. So let's understand the code. As I discussed, we have earlier only one payment strategy in the day 2 that is being implemented by the PayPal and the card, but since cash on delivery comes into the picture, that cannot implement the I payment strategy. So that the reason that I payment strategy has been divided into I immediate and I deferred. So the cash on delivery will implement the I deferred and the PayPal will implement the I immediate and the card payment also I immediate. So this is the beauty of this list scope substitution principle, where derived type is substitutable for the base type and contract must not be broken. So hope these things clear. We will move again to the next principle in